Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the latest in tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into what I consider the best DJI Gimbal Stabilizer on the market right now, the DJI 3 Rupees Mini. This compact powerhouse is designed to elevate your filming experience. Whether you're a vlogger, a filmmaker, or just someone who loves capturing smooth, professional-grade footage. Let's start with what makes the DJI 3 Rupees Mini stand out. First off, its lightweight design. Weighing just under 800 grams, this gimbal is incredibly portable, making it ideal for travel and outdoor shooting. Despite its small size, it packs a punch with a tested payload capacity of up to 2 kilograms, accommodating various camera and lens combinations with ease. One of the standout features of the 3 Rupees Mini is its 3-axis stabilization. Powered by DJI's 3rd-gen stabilization algorithm, it ensures your footage remains smooth even in challenging shooting scenarios like low-angle shots or fast movements. This means whether you're shooting a fast-paced action sequence or a serene landscape, your footage will look professional-grade. Another nifty feature is the Bluetooth shutter control. Once paired with your camera, you can conveniently control photo capture and video recording directly from the gimbal itself. This not only enhances your workflow but also reduces the need for additional accessories. For all the social media influencers out there, the 3 Rupees Mini supports native vertical shooting. Simply mount your camera vertically using the quick release plate and you're ready to capture content optimized for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. It's these thoughtful design elements that really make the 3 Rupees Mini a versatile tool for content creators. Now, let's talk about usability. The 3 Rupees Mini features a 1.4-inch full-color touchscreen. This intuitive interface allows you to access and adjust settings effortlessly, right at your fingertips. Whether you're tweaking stabilization modes or checking battery levels, everything is clear and easy to navigate. In terms of build quality, DJI has crafted the 3 Rupees Mini to be robust yet ergonomic. It feels comfortable in hand during extended shooting sessions, which is crucial for capturing those perfect moments without fatigue. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of mirrorless cameras from Canon, Sony, Panasonic, Nikon, and Fujifilm, ensuring flexibility in your gear choices. You can find the DJI 3 Rupees Mini on Amazon for $279, with additional shipping fees depending on your location. It's also available through other sellers, so be sure to check for the best deal that suits your needs. In conclusion, the DJI 3 Rupees Mini sets a new standard for what a compact gimbal stabilizer can achieve. From its lightweight portability to its powerful stabilization capabilities and intuitive controls, it's clear why this is my top pick for content creators looking to elevate their filming game. If you're in the market for a reliable, feature-packed gimbal, look no further than the DJI 3 Rupees Mini. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy filming!